Question 4. At the fast food drive-through, there were 2 drinks and some burgers on the menu page. There were 5 items listed on the menu. How many burgers were listed? Question 4 is about drinks and burgers when we look at the writing. However, on the picture, you'll notice there's chips. In maths with word questions, the picture is not important detail. It's often there as a distraction. If the picture is meant to be used, it's not called a picture, it's called a diagram, and it would have numbers and symbols on it. If it's just a drawing, you need to ignore that. I'm going to be using blue for my drinks and red for my burgers. At the fast food drive-through, there were 2 drinks. That's one part. I'll underline it in the blue and put it in my part section. And some burgers on the menu page. Some burgers is my other part. The red cubes will live here, but at this stage I don't know how many from the writing. There were 5 items listed on the menu. The 5 items is the whole amount. It's the number of drinks and burgers all together. How many burgers were listed? So what I'm trying to find out is the number of burgers, which is the red part. I'm going to use the plan of whole subtract part equals part. I know the whole of 5, and if I subtract the part I know, which is the drinks, I will be left with the part that I don't know, which is the burgers. 5 subtract 2 equals 3. There are 3 burgers. Yes. I'm going to check by placing my cubes so I can see them without counting. There were 2 drinks, and I think there were 3 burgers, and I can see my 3. The part of the drinks add the part of the burgers should make the whole of 5. Yes, it does. Now that I've checked the maths, I also want to check the question. So I find the question mark. How many burgers were listed? There were 3 burgers listed, and I write that next to the question mark. I also could have used this plan if I wanted to. This is the part that I know of the drinks. Add the part that I have to find out, which is the burgers, will equal the whole of 5. 2 add 3 equals 5.